if the contacts are not syncing with iCloud on your iPhone. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Apps. From this app list, just look for the Contacts app, then tap on it. Now at the bottom of the page, you will find the option of Default Account. Now just tap on it. Now from here, just select where you want to save your contacts. For an example, if you want to save your contacts to your Gmail, just select Gmail. But if you're trying to sync your contacts with your iCloud, just select iCloud. After you do that, then just go back to the main settings page, then tap on your Apple ID. From here, just tap on iCloud, and on this page, just tap on Save to iCloud. Now from here, just scroll down and look for the option of contacts. Now if this toggle is disabled, just like that, just enable this toggle, then select Merge. But if this toggle is already enabled, then just disable it and enable it back on. And by doing that, you will fix the contact not syncing issue on your iPhone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.